Hello and welcome back. Today I will show you how we can play with colors. There is lesson number 4. So click on the first part of the grids, then let's go to the top menu, edit image, and choose color mix effect. Click see all, and now choose color which you want and click apply. Then go to the next part of the grid, click on it, go to top menu, edit image, and choose same color mix effect. And let's choose other color. Let it be this one. And click apply. And now I will continue to take the same steps. Click on the one part of the grids, then go to edit image, choose color mix effect, and choose the color. And click apply. And the last one, and I am choosing, let it be this one, and click apply. And here you go. Let's try with other picture, with this one. Click on the first part of the grids, then go to edit image and choose color mix effect, and I am choosing this one, green, and click apply. Next part of the grid, color mix effect, and let it be yellow. The third one, I am choosing blue, and click apply. And the last one, let it be this one, and click apply. And here you go. And the last one, I'm clicking on the one part of the grid, go to the top menu, edit image, and choose same color mix effect, and let it be red. Click apply. Other part of the grid, color mix effect, I'm choosing this one, blue. Click apply. Second part, color mix, let it be green. And the last one, color mix, and I'm choosing this one. And now click apply. And here you go. We have interesting picture, yes? I hope you enjoyed this tutorial. If you like this post, please like, share it, and comment below on what you think about it. See you in the next tutorial.